The tropical forest is a beautiful place, full of green. The air and environment are sparkling clean. And a little long-eared hare lives there. His name is Tony. He has a vegetable patch of his own, which he cares for tenderly. He wants to grow the tastiest vegetables in the whole forest. When lunchtime comes, he pulls out a fresh carrot and feasts on it, enjoying its wonderful taste. But everything's changed one night when Tommy was in bed fast asleep. And what happened? Let's see. I think there is something so strange. The next morning, when it was time to treat himself to a sweet carrot, Tommy noticed something disgraceful. So, what it is? What happened? Oh la la. Someone with very bad manners had thrown a candy wrapper right into his vegetable patch. What dirty! What else? What the hell? Tommy was even more astounded when he saw that there were 100 more wrappers lying all around. Oh my gosh. Again, every day that happened. What the hell? That happened every day. After a moment's thought, he decided to follow the garbage trail. Certain it would lead him straight to the rascal. So, let's know what's the secret. The trail led him to a big tree with a huge pile of rubbers towering below it. What amazing! What the hell? What happened? Who does this? I don't know, and why? Hey, who is throwing around garbage so shamelessly? Tommy exclaimed in disappointment. The hare looked up and saw the answer just above his head. On a branch of the big tree sat an ill-mannered monkey. What are you doing, monkey? What are you doing here? The monkey was gobbling candy and throwing the rubbers on the ground without a care another time. What a selfish! Hey you! Hey you! Why are you littering in our forest? Stop it right away! Cried Tommy indignantly at Monkey. Having been discovered the monkey took fright. He turned tail and ran as fast as he could, forgetting all about the candy. The monkey jumped so skillfully among the trees, the hare couldn't catch up. However, quite frightened, the monkey lost control after a while. And fell head over heels down towards the ground. Hey! Until he got caught in a tangle of vines and branches. Oh shit! Oh shit! What else? He tried to free himself, but there was no one around to give him a hand. Oh, Joe! Whoa, whoa. The monk lost all hope. Oh my gosh, I can't go south. I can't throw up. I can't skip. I'm so sorry. I can't do. When suddenly Tommy appeared from behind the trees. Huh? He approached and asked it. Hey monkey, why do you have such bad manners? Why do you think you can throw garbage all around this way? Why? Tell me, right now tell me. That's a shame. The monkey had nothing to say, so he simply looked away, ashamed. Okay, don't worry, said Tommy. Relenting, I will set you free. Everything's going to be all right, my friend. But please don't repeat against this. He helped the monkey get down to the ground and asked it, now, will you be so kind as to clean up after yourself? Tell me, now, will you be so kind as to clean up after yourself? Asked Tommy. Oh, how impressed the monkey felt. He didn't utter a word and got down to work. He cleaned everything up to the last piece until the forest looked the same as before. What amazing! And Tommy called again, joy, his carrots in a neat vegetable patch alongside a now well-mannered monkey.